Nice. Good weaving and dodging.
Let's do one more lap of that little tiny track. Right, and then we'll go back to Slushy Monkey. Let's go up. Let's see if we can climb this part. The challenge is seeing if we can keep the tires stuck on the ground when we climb it. Want to go by? Yep, we'll go back and we'll do one more lap of this to back to the street and back. It's a good challenge because. Yep. Yep. We'll go over this part. Whee! Going up this slippery slope is going to be a good challenge for the tires and the legs. See if we can keep the traction. Yeah. Good bike balance there, Toby. Nice work. Alright, try not to slide. Yeah, good work. Okay. Let's see if we can get up this hill. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yep. Zoom. Whee. Nice work, Toby.